Okay, what is up guys, JoyKong94 today, showing you guys how to get amazingly good quality in Camtasia Studio. The quality that I use, I find to be very, very good, and hopefully you guys agree. I already made this video, it's already uploaded, but it only has 43 views, probably because it was one of the earlier videos I uploaded to this channel, and you guys probably never, before I had a lot of subscribers, so you guys probably never seen it. I posted it as a bulletin a couple times, but I figured I'd just remake it because I'm kind of bored. So, yeah, it's pretty easy. First thing you want to do is see what aspect ratio your screen is, your resolution. So go to your screen and right click. If you're on Windows XP, go to Control Panel and then just search resolution or something like that, and you should be able to find it. So I'm on the highest resolution possible right now, and that's what you're going to want to be on. So whatever your highest is, 1280 by 720 is 720p HD, 1600 by 9000 is what I'm on, or 900 I mean. That is the default for my computer, and that's what I'm going to keep it on. I'm going to just hit exit so it doesn't change anything. So make sure you're on your highest screen resolution possible. Now, say this slows your computer down, what you're going to do is you're just going to want to, before you record, remember, turn your screen resolution and everything. Then when you're done, just turn it back to whatever you want it as. So once you record your video in Camtasia Studio by just hitting the little thing here, like, you just hit record whatever you want to record. Once you're done recording, it's going to bring you to a black screen. It will play the video. Just hit save and edit, and it will bring you to a screen like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to 1280 by 720, uncheck keep aspect ratio, hit OK. Now I'm going to make it full screen. Now this is where you do all your editing. If you want to do anything like this, this is just a quick test to show you guys how to do the quality. So this video won't ever be uploaded, this part of it. So yeah, just a real quick 30-second test to show you guys what you have to do. That's pretty much it. Okay. So there you go. You guys see that's what I recorded. So say I wanted to zoom in at one point. I'm just going to go back into the video and say I wanted to zoom it in on right there. So you're just going to hit zoom in and pan. Zoom it in so you can see that, or whatever you want to see. You can make it really small, make it really big, whatever. Zoom it in, hit play. So this video, pause it, and then you want to zoom it back out. Boom, zoomed it back out. So once you're done doing all your edits, anything you wanted to do, translations or transitions, callouts, any of this other stuff. I don't do any of this stuff. I just do this, the zooming in. Then you're gonna hit produce and share. Now, for some reason, my custom templates never save, so I always have to make a new one, which really isn't that big of a deal. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna add an /edit preset. Click that, hit new, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Kong. Make sure it's checked off mp4/flv/swf/outputs. Make sure that's the one that's checked off. Hit next. Now I'm running Camtasia Studio 7 point something, whatever the newest version is. What I'm running. This make it look a little bit different from you. Another reason I remade this is because I got Sony Vegas 11 and I also got the newest Camtasia Studio, so it looks a little bit different than the other video, but they work both the same. So just leave any of this stuff. Don't change any of this stuff. All you're going to do is just change this to whatever your screen resolution is. So mine was 16,000 or 1600 I mean by 900. So make sure it's that. Whatever your screen resolution, say your highest is 1280 by 720, make that 1280, that 720. Then hit next. Sorry, by the way, if I sound funny and nasally, because I'm sick. In my past 3 videos, I've been sick. So that's why I've been sounding nasally and weird and congested. Then hit finish, hit close, and hit next. Then name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name this useless, because it's useless. Then boom, it will render it out. I'm going to pause real quick. While it's doing that, I'll see you guys in about 1 second, because it's not gonna. Well, I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, now the video is done rendering. For some reason this always happens because I have to see C++. I don't know why. I tried to have that crack because I was gonna make a keygen a while ago for something I was doing, and I ended up not doing it, so I might as well just get rid of that program, but I don't want to screw up anything else, so I'm not gonna. So this just happens at the end when I'm done rendering, but I assure you that it's perfectly fine. Yours probably won't say that. So once you're done doing that, you're just gonna hit this. Oh, by the way, these are just some songs that are made by, if you guys know who Angry Grandpa is, this is his son Michael. Go check out his YouTube. It's called Lyric Cold. He makes really nice raps. I like his music a lot. I have to put these on my iPad in a couple of days when I'm back at my house. I'm gonna put these on my on my iPod. But anyways, yeah, you guys can go check them out. So anyways, just go wherever you saved your music. Open up Sony Vegas 11 or 10, whatever you have. First you're gonna want to hit New, and then make this preset. Make it 1280 by 720. Lower left field, 1000 square, 29.970 NTSC, off, 8-bit, best, Gaussian, none. Then hit start all new project this way, and you can name it whatever you want. I got my render settings from its Lupo. So for both my YouTube video, for my Xbox videos, and my PC tutorials, and my rendering for iPad tutorials or iPhone tutorials. This stuff doesn't matter, but I'll show you anyways. So yeah, you guys can just pause it, hit OK, boom, it opened up a new video. Now I'm gonna just import my intro, or I'm not even gonna import that. So I named that video useless, so I'm just gonna search it. Here you go. I know when I made useless, I said it was gonna be 30 seconds, and it's only 16. By the way, you guys can just, if you guys can import it however you want. If you guys want to go to import, I just find it's really slow when it does that. I just like to do it that way. So take the video, put it in. It'll be all set. All you're gonna want to do is just go to properties and uncheck maintain aspect ratio. You do this for any videos you make anytime. So go to it. You're all set with that. Go to video effects. Go to color corrector secondary, and then drag in boost mids. And what this does is makes the bright part of the videos brighter, and the dark part of the videos brighter or darker. And you'll be able to see that in a second. As you can see, the little smokes and the lights got brighter, and the darker parts got a little bit darker. Then you're gonna go to sharpen and just drag on medium. Now it might look fuzzy, but don't worry, it won't be. Now, one of the big things people do, and again, I got this stuff from its Lupo and it works actually, is when you're editing like a montage, like when I edit I'm in the process of making a montage right now. When I'm editing and watching it, I put it in best hat or preview full, because then it doesn't like skip and it's not as laggy. But before you render any video out, make sure you look at this and make sure it's at best full, because that actually affects your rendering. So then you're just going to go to save it as whatever you want. I'm not going to actually save it. Go to render as. Now you're going to go to format, make sure it's on main concept, AVC, just AAC MP4, and then you're going to choose Internet 720p. Click that and then hit customize template. You're going to name it whatever you want, then follow what I do. Make sure that's obviously checked. None of this stuff matters. HD 720p by 12, or HD 720p 1280 by 720. Make sure it's that. Uncheck that. That's important. Main 29.9 or 970 NTSC, non-progressive scan 1000 frames, number of frames of reference frames. I can't read right now. 2, constant bitrate 10,000, encoding automatic, and enable progressive download. Audio, just name it that. System, doesn't matter. And project, make sure you change this to best whenever you do any rendering, because then it will make it the best quality. I'm gonna hit cancel just so I didn't change anything, and then just hit OK and render it. And I'm not actually gonna render this, but just hit render. It'll render your video, and there you go. That's it, guys. It's very simple, very easy tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this. Sorry. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Joey Kong 94 out.